نضيء بنورنا الدنيا وننشر في الفضاء أملا ونعلي عزم همتنا فمن طلب العلا وصل.
الحمد لله وكفى والسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هل يستوي الذين يعلمون والذين لا يعلمون صدق الله العظيم. Respected President, honorable guests, highly respected teachers and dear brothers, it's a golden opportunity and an immense pleasure for me to present a brief introduction to Jamia Islamia Ishatul Ulum Akkal Kuan. Jamia Islamia Ishatul Ulum Akkal Kuan in Maharashtra's Nandurbar district is one of the greatest and growing modern educational and developmental charitable trust established in 1979. It has achieved remarkable success in moral and modern education development and humanitarian welfare within a very short span. It rekindled the interest of education and development among the backward, unprivileged and tribal communities, along with such welfare services in many districts and states, as establishing moral and modern educational centers and orphanages. For this very purpose, Jamia organizes educational seminars in villages. Jamia provides modern and technological facilities of ITI and medical sciences and build colleges for teachers' education. Jamia also provides safe drinking water and takes the responsibility to arrange the food kits for the poor and the needy family, especially in the poverty-stricken and unreached areas. In 44 years of inspection, the Jamia has grown from one teacher and 6 students to 7,278 staff and 1,60,036 students in 16 states. In a short period, it has been recognized for its work in Islamic and Sharia education, modern technical and medical education, relief work for flood, madrasas and community centers establishment. Brothers in Islam, I am indeed delighted to inform you that Jamia Islamia Ishatul Ulum has become the most prestigious, influential and one of the largest operational organizations in India. We know that Jamia's achievement was possible because all of you are with Jamia to encourage the efforts, empowering the Ummah with education skills and making them self-reliant. Jamia endeavors to instill moral values and an outlook that is secular and truth-seeking. Jamia stands committed to working with the poor, minorities and tribals. Girls' education is also a high priority in Jamia's agenda. Dear audience, all colleges are accredited institutions recognized by state and central government. They include professional colleges like engineering and medical sciences, vocational centers like ITI and Polytechnic. Jamia has 92 primary, secondary and high schools spread across 16 states, mostly in the rural areas. There are many girls' schools, including residential ones. The total strength exceeds 1,60,036. Jamia is also working tirelessly to spread education through internet to reach out to as many places as possible and serve the people. Dear audience, as part of Jamia charity services, Jamia carries out relief work, provides free treatment at hospitals, sponsorship to orphans and poor students, and support to widows. However, much work remains to be done for imparting Islamic values and development of Ummah. About 75% of Ummah in India is still suffering from illiteracy, poverty, injustice and insecurity according to our ground reports and Census 2011. Dear audience, lastly, it is our duty to thank Allah Almighty and all supporters well-wishers and donors for their great and unconditional support to Jamia's mission and program. May Allah accept the efforts of Jamia and reward everyone who contribute to this noble cause. Here I end up. Thank you all for listening to me carefully. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.